Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I know y'all clicked on this video because y'all seen that money on in the title, or y'all really trying to just know how to make money off TikTok. TikTok is the #1 app in the world. Let's break it down like this, all right? One thing that y'all gotta understand, TikTok is the #1 app in the world, bro. It's billions of people on TikTok, right? It's hella ways you can make money. I'm just gonna show you the gyps. And let me show you this before y'all be like, bro, you might not make that. This is off TikTok. If people know, if y'all know about it, y'all know about it. Y'all can look at the dates. That's in a week. TikTok pays every Monday or Wednesday or whenever scheduled day that you want to do it, but TikTok pays. TikTok pays off live battling, gifts, and live. That's what I'm going to tell y'all. Live pays the most. And selling products. So whenever folks get products and sell them, if you get one viral video and get, I say people probably get some pants for $10. I don't know how the commissions breakdown works for certain people, but I know sometimes it probably might be $5. So imagine if a video blow up and you got 5,000 people, you get 1 million views and 5,000 people or 500 people, say 500 people bought it, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You just made $2,500 off just posting a random clips about clothes that's not even yours on a 30-second to 60-second video. You know what I'm saying? But me, I'm gonna break down on how I get paid. I be on live battling people. And when you on live battling, I don't know the requirements of it. I think you have to be at 100 or 1,000 followers so you can go live. But once you get to them followers, you go live. Once you go live, you battle people. It's 5 minutes per battle. You tell people to gift, and TikTok pays by diamonds. So on the gyps, what are diamonds? Diamonds are whenever, because I know most of y'all are probably on TikTok. When y'all are on TikTok and y'all see y'all favorite creators or random people battling, it's a box. I'm in this box, they in this box. It'll be 2 people. They will have points above their heads. Those are diamonds. But everything doesn't count as diamonds. Like you can double tap the screen, and when the third time that you double tap the screen, it will count as 3 points. Those are not diamonds. So whenever somebody sends something like a rose, whenever somebody sends something like, anything, they'll send it and you will get commission from that. You won't get the full commission because TikTok takes about like 60 to 70% of it. But I know y'all looking like that's crazy, but y'all gotta understand this too. If somebody send a $300 gift or like, I don't know, like $100 gift, you still getting $30 from it, like $30 to probably like 20 something from that gift. And it's like, you got to understand, if you get 5 of those, you just made like $100. You know what I'm saying? So TikTok can take big, but you're still getting big in return, and this is just side hustles to make money, bro. Like in my community, Liq Easy Life is in the bio. Y'all actually can see when I show y'all on how to make extra money, build different habits so you can escape the matrix on how to basically get free time, because I know some people that's watching obviously trying to make some more money, but I know y'all probably, got your own money. I don't know how y'all life is, but times get hard. Bills get paid. So this side money is great for y'all, And let me tell y'all something like this. When y'all go to work, y'all come home, or if y'all go to school and y'all come home, y'all can get on TikTok for an hour. But I don't even be on there that long. I probably be on there for about an hour and 2. I do YouTube, so, I don't know if that helps, but I feel like it doesn't, because when I first started, I just got on TikTok about like a month, like probably a month. It just going into 2 months. And y'all see how my stuff worked? But when I first started, I wasn't making nothing though. I got on probably making an extra 100. Y'all gotta understand, an extra 100, an extra 200 plus your job, just for being on for an hour, why not? I'm telling everybody this information, but there's some people that's watching this video that's not gonna take no action. They just listening. You don't have to be that person who just listen. Go and take action. Just try it out. I know you might be like, bro, I'm scared. I don't like showing my face a lot. They got filters that you can't have on there. It's somebody I seen, my boy Tomcat. He's a cat. He's an AI cat. He's making a bunch of bread. Streamers on there make $1 million+ a year off just streaming on TikTok. And these are people that are the top creators. Like on TikTok, let me break it down for y'all. TikTok got these things, like I said, it's called diamonds. So whenever you go, you don't get gifts. So like basically if I go on live, right, I click on somebody. My boy Wonder Live. Hold on. Let me show y'all. So if I go right here, my TikTok studio, if I go to my TikTok studio and then I go down to my tools and resources and go to creator ranking. So as y'all can see, I'm currently A3. You know, so A League, that's the top league. It's D League, B League. I mean, it's D League, C League, then it's B League, then it's A League. I'm currently A3. I just made it A3. But like this person right here, right? Let's just put this person into perspective. All right, chat. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's put the number one in perspective. Basically him, right? He got 1.3 diamonds today. Okay. 1.3 M diamonds is $5,000. He just made $5,000 in the span of this morning to 10 a.m. By the end of the day, he's probably gonna make $5 million, 5 million diamonds. So if 1 million is 5K, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, he made over $25,000 in one day. And that could be you. I don't want people to just discriminate and be on something like, I probably can't do that. Because you got to understand, I'm a human, he's a human, everybody a human. You don't know what you can do until you try it. Telling yourself you ain't going to do it is not going to show you. You always going to have that thought in your mind like, dang, I probably could have made. Just go ahead and do it. I'd rather you fail than not do nothing at all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I made extra money off content creation. This is not the flex. This is not the show. This is to motivate. Because you can do it too. I was working a job. I stopped. I haven't worked a job in 6 years because of content creation. Y'all got to understand that I'm still going strong. Life is about ups and downs. People work jobs because they know they're going to get a check. But if you hustle on your side jobs, make your sides the main. And that's what I did. I was working. I got fired. Finally got fired and I turned myself around and I went to content creation. I worked my first job at Chick-fil-A. Got fired from it. I probably still could have been there if I didn't get fired. Y'all got to understand, like, life is about taking risks. I didn't even take a risk. I got put into a risk. I got fired. I had to go do something else. Don't be like me. Don't get fired. Stay at that job, build up some money so you can do your side hustles. Then you quit because you made enough money. That's what I want y'all to do. But TikTok, that's basically how you do it, man. You just go live, battle people, and then you'll be good, bro. For real. Just go live, battle people, and see what happens. So yeah, I ain't gonna say too much. Link in my bio if y'all do want to join the community. You know, it's a free 3-day, so y'all can see what's going on. Y'all can talk to me extra because I do be there. I be sending life hacks, blueprints, sport picks. I be sport gambling too, sending a lot of stuff too. So if y'all do want to see that, I can show that. And yeah, I'll be going, y'all. I'm not gonna say too much. And I'm out of here. Yeah.